चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 या रब 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 या रब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुल ईमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, हम आज का सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें।
Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 21, English, page number 24 and 25. Read singular and plural. New words: lamp, brush, camp, tent, crow. Dear children, today we will learn singular and plural. For one thing is called a singular, or many things are called plural. One thing is called singular, many things are called plural. Use of this and this. As we know, we use this for the nearer objects and these for many nearer objects, the objects which are close to us and they are more than one. We use these with them. So let's start. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सिंगुलर प्लूरल सीखेंगे। एक चीज़ के लिए हम सिंगुलर, एक चीज़ को हम सिंगुलर बोलते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हम प्लूरल बोलते हैं। जब हमारे करीब कोई एक चीज़ होगी तो हम दिस का यूज़ करेंगे, दिस इज़ का, और जब हमारे करीब कोई बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी तो हम उनके लिए दीज आर का यूज़ करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। कैट, वन कैट है, वन कैट, and there are two cats, so we use cats for them. Cat, cats. Hat, hats. Hand, hands. Egg, eggs. Crow, crows. This is a cat. This is a cat. These are cats. These are cats. This is a hat. This is a hat. These are hats. This is a hand. This is a hand, a single hand. These are hands. This is an egg. These are eggs. This is a crow, a single crow. This is a crow. These are crows. These are more than one. These are crows. General knowledge. What is our national language? हमारी कौमी ज़ुबान क्या है? उर्दू. What is our national language? Urdu. Children, read aloud with me. What is our national language? Urdu. How many seasons are there in a year? Sorry, how many seasons are there in a year? 4 seasons. From where does the sun rise? In the east. सूरज कहाँ से निकलता है? In the east, मशरिक से. From where does the sun rise? In the east. What is your favorite fruit? आपका पसंदीदा फल कौन सा है? Mango, apple, strawberry. The fruit which you like, tell. आपको जो भी फ्रूट पसंद है आपने वो बताना है. What is your favorite fruit? Mango. What is your favorite drink? Which drink do you like most? आपको कौन सा ड्रिंक पसंद है आपने बताना है. What is your favorite drink? Coke. What is your favorite vegetable? Capsicum, potato. The vegetable which you like, tell the name of that vegetable. Poem. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One's name Peter, one's name Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Revision, reading. Respected teachers and parents, revise page number 8, 11, 14, 17 and 21 reading. General knowledge question number 1 to question number 15. Conversation question number 1 to question number 15. Also learn the poem from line number 1 to line number 6. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Make sure that all the students have learnt all the questions today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Thank you. Read, write and learn singular, plural. So let's start the written word. Today we will read, write and learn singular, plural. Singulars. Zebra. Z-E-bra. Zebra. It's one zebra. And these are two zebras. So we will use plural zebras. Zebra, zebras. Line, lines. Elephant, elephants. Pigeon, pigeons. Parrot, parrots. Frog, frogs. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हमने सिंगुलर और प्लूरल सीखे हैं. जब एक चीज़ हो तो हम यहाँ पे ज़िब्रा यूज़ करेंगे. जब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं तो हमने उसको प्लूरल बना दिया ज़िब्रास एस लगा के. आपने ना सिर्फ इसको लिखना है बल्कि याद भी करना है. Dear children, do the same practice in the homework. Also learn page number 24 and learn it again. Thank you.
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह. अल्लाह अल्लाह अल्लाह.